guys, it's Danielle. I'm here with Cooper. We have a rainy day. It was supposed to be a softball and baseball day, which definitely a bummer for this kid.
Yeah.
But he requested that we make it a baking day. So I thought we would share with you a couple of the recipes we like to make. This one is fun because you can do it for any season. We decided
Fall, spring, summer.
and it's a favorite of his. What do you call this?
I just like to call them by its name, the white chocolate Reese's.
White
cookie.
chocolate Reese's cookie. Okay, so this is something we manufactured on our own, so it's a Smith family specialty. It's really easy. We're gonna put it in the crock pot, and then we let it all melt together in this crazy gooiness, and then we put it in chunks on a pan, put it in the refrigerator, and then we let it stay in the refrigerator. It's so good until our family finishes them all over the next couple of days.
Yep.
You can also take it to a holiday party if you want. When it's all said and done, if you want to sprinkle red and green on it or Halloween sprinkles, we'll do a little bit of fall and Halloween so you can see what it looks like. Let's get started. Why don't you tell everybody what we need?
So first we need to melt at least 2 packs at the beginning. Melt them in the crock pot.
Okay, well let's tell everyone what we need first.
Okay, so we need white Reese's. We have 4 packs of that. We have some rolled gold pretzels.
So yeah, we'll crush those up.
We have some dry roasted peanuts. And then we have some extra white chocolate chips on the side. And also extra peanut butter.
I like to add the extra scoop of peanut butter because I like it. So let's go ahead and start. So you want to open these. This is going to go in the crock pot, not for a terribly long time. I do start it on high, and then once we've used a spatula and made sure that it's all melting together well,
Can I use that?
you absolutely can. You should be able to. Oh, did it not
I
open
know,
for you?
I ripped it.
Okay. But you want to make sure there's enough in there. If you add too many of your extras, the nuts or the pretzels, then
It
you
gets
start
too-
to lose a
yeah.
little bit of that gooey flavor. Now, what's great about this is you can add some things that are specific to you guys. This is obviously not a non-allergy friendly. So if you are allergic to nuts, this is not your best option. But we are not, and we are a peanut loving family. So we're adding these, okay?
You can start off with 2.
Sure. You can also add extra stuff. I mean, if you like raisins, I know a lot of people don't, but you certainly can. We don't, and we're not gonna add that just yet, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna get this extra. Do you wanna cut that open for me?
Yep.
I use a spatula periodically just to make sure that things are melding together well. You go ahead,
Pour it?
dump it, bud.
All of it?
All of it.
Okay.
Yummy. I'm gonna make sure you guys see what this looks like through part of the process. Cooper says light nuts, but I love the extra crunch. If I could, I would turn the camera around so that you can see that my daughter is being a goofball behind us. If you like almonds or pecans or cashews, you can also use those as an option. Okay, now, as you're putting those in, don't put them in whole, right?
Just crunch them up as we
Another
go.
option, you can put these in a plastic bag and roll over them either with a cup in your house or with a rolling pin so that they're a little more fine.
Let's start with this.
This is the easy way to do it, yep.
Start with this for now.
Oh, we're gonna need a little bit more than that.
Okay.
I like the crunch, sorry dude.
I like the crunch on the pretzels instead of the nuts more.
I like the nuts. All right. We're gonna let you guys see what this looks like.
This is now the bird's eye view. We like to stir it around a little bit in the beginning so we can get all the nuts and pretzels in all layers. So that's what we're doing right now. And this will heat up in about, what do you say, 10 minutes?
Looks a little messy, but melted to perfection. I did add some extra peanut butter, like I said we would. Coop is now scooping it onto the pan. We will put it in the refrigerator. We've got parchment on our pans. It's going to be beautiful.
We are both very excited about these. These are our favorite. The white chocolate peanut butter cookies are ready. We will put them in the fridge for 25 to 30 minutes and then they will be done.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had even an ounce of the fun that we did today.
It was awesome.
We are looking forward to doing more recipes together. If there's something you'd like us to try, clearly we are not professional bakers, but we'd be happy to do it. You can always connect with us or with me on Twitter and Facebook and Snapchat at Danielle Smith TV. I hope you guys have a great day.